Washington, D.C. window replacement services are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your commercial property. Our expert team provides comprehensive commercial window installation Washington services, ensuring that your windows are always in top condition. Whether you need minor replacements or major overhauls, our Washington, D.C. glass replacement services are designed to meet your needs efficiently and effectively. For businesses looking to enhance their building's energy efficient windows Washington, D.C. are a must. Our window installation company, Washington, D.C., specializes in providing top-of-the-line, energy-efficient windows that help reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Trust our Washington window experts, D.C., to deliver the best solutions for your commercial property. When it comes to commercial window installation Washington, D.C., our team of D.C. Window Contractors Washington is second to none. We offer a wide range of services, including storefront window installation and office window replacement Washington, to meet the diverse needs of our clients. Our commercial window installation services are tailored to provide the best results for your business. Custom window solutions Washington are available for businesses seeking unique and tailored window designs. Our window installation experts Washington work closely with clients to create custom window solutions that perfectly match their aesthetic and functional requirements. From commercial window frames Washington, D.C. to specialized glazing, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. D.C. Glass Specialists Washington are your go-to professionals for all things related to commercial glass installation D.C. Our team is experienced in handling various types of glass installations, ensuring that your commercial property looks modern and professional. Whether you need commercial window glazing D.C. or commercial window tinting D.C., we have the skills and knowledge to get the job done right. Commercial window upgrades Washington are a great way to improve the look and functionality of your business premises. Our Washington, D.C. window services include a range of upgrade options, from new window installations to advanced glazing techniques. Let our commercial window contractors Washington, D.C. help you enhance your property's appeal and efficiency. Window maintenance services D.C. are crucial for prolonging the lifespan of your windows and ensuring they function optimally. Our Washington, D.C. window replacement services include regular maintenance checks and replacements to keep your windows in excellent condition. Trust our window maintenance services D.C. to provide reliable and cost-effective solutions for your business. For businesses in need of commercial window solutions Washington, our team offers a comprehensive range of services. From window installation projects Washington, D.C. to ongoing maintenance and replacements, we are committed to delivering high-quality results. Our Washington, D.C. commercial window installation services are designed to meet the specific needs of each client. D.C. window replacement services are ideal for businesses looking to update their windows with modern, energy-efficient options. Our window installation services D.C. include a variety of replacement options to suit different styles and budgets. Rely on our Washington window experts to provide the best D.C. window replacement solutions for your commercial property. Washington, D.C. storefront window services are essential for businesses looking to create an inviting and professional appearance. Our commercial window installation Washington contractors specialize in storefront window installation, ensuring that your business stands out. With our expertise, you can trust that your storefront will make a lasting impression.